Hi everyone, in today's video we will learn some daily useful English sentences which you can use in your daily conversation. So without wasting time, let's get started. First sentence is तो क्या हुआ? So what happened? So what happened? बहुत दूर मत जाओ या फिर ज़्यादा दूर मत जाओ. Don't go too far. Don't go too far. इसे किसने तोड़ा? Who broke this? Who broke this? तुम इस मामले से दूर रहो. You stay out of this. You stay out of this. सुनो सबकी करो मन की. Listen to everyone, follow no one. Listen to everyone, follow no one. ऐसा इसलिए हुआ क्योंकि मैं वहाँ नहीं था. It happened because I was not there. It happened because I was not there. इसे अब छोड़ो या फिर अब इसे छोड़ो. Leave it now. Leave it now. आओ पार्टी करें. Let's party. Let's party. मत जाने दो. Don't let go. Don't let go. आइए नीचे चले. Let's go down. Let's go down. मैं तुम्हें निराश नहीं करूँगा. I will not let you down. I will not let you down. अपनी बात रखो. Have your say. Have your say. यहाँ बहुत सारे हैं. There are too many. There are too many. कृपया बैठ जाइए. Be seated please. Be seated please. चलो घर चले. Let's go home. Let's go home. चलो वापस मुड़ते हैं. Let's turn back. Let's turn back. अपना काम खुद करो. Do you work yourself. Do you work yourself. मुझे गुमराह मत करो. Don't misguide me. Don't misguide me. मुझे ये कहानी मत सुनाओ. Don't tell me this story. Don't tell me this story. मुझे भी ऐसा ही लगता है. I feel the same way. I feel the same way. मुझे आप पर शक है. I doubt on you. I doubt on you. मेरा इंतज़ार करना. Wait for me. Wait for me. भगवान से प्रार्थना करो. Pray to God. Pray to God. मुझे काम करने दो. Let me work. Let me work या फिर let me work. मैंने पैसे खो दिए. I lost the money. I lost the money. ये आपके लिए आखिरी मौका है. This is a last chance for you. This is a last chance for you. कुछ बोलो. Speak up something. Speak up something या फिर say something. अपने आसपास देखो. Look around you. Look around you. ना मत कहो. Don't say no. Don't say no. पीछे देखो. Look back. Look back. आप क्या करते हैं? What do you do? What do you do? मुझे नहीं पता है. I have no idea. I have no idea. इसका क्या मतलब है? What does it mean? What does it mean? आपका समय समाप्त हुआ. Your time is up. Your time is up. अंदाज़ा लगाओ. Guess what? Guess what? बेहतर हो सकता था. It could be better. It could be better. कोई चिंता नहीं. No worries. No worries. याद रखो, कीप इन माइंड या फिर वियर इन माइंड। मुझसे गिनती शुरू कीजिए, काउंट मी ऑन। चलो साथ चलते हैं, लेट्स मूव अलोंग। ये आप पर निर्भर है, इट इज़ अप टू यू या फिर इट्स अप टू यू। मूर्ख मत बनो, डोंट बी सिली। ये सही नहीं है, दैट्स नॉट फेयर।